Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Knott's Berry Farm because Montezooma soft opened. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Caliber. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. That is right. Montezooma soft opened. And supposedly, maybe even Crafty's Kitchen over there, the new restaurant where we used to have, what was it called? The burger spot. Johnny Rockets. I got tons and tons of messages. It's like, Mondo, get your ass over there to Knott's Berry Farm. And I was like, you ain't got to tell me twice. Go get a meal plan. Hopefully I fit on this goddamn ride, Montezooma. I talked to some bigger people that have rode it already, like team member wise, and they said it's very accommodating, but we're gonna find out. Oh, no, that's Silver Bullet. Let's see how this goes. One thing about soft openings as well is you gotta get there early because they can just shut down the ride. Oh, I hear it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's because the ride could just break down. It's a soft opening, a technical rehearsal. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my Lanta. It is all real. Montezooma has opened. I don't know if it'll be open beyond today, how long it'll even be open today, but it is open. Montezooma. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's going. I hear it saying something. Yep, just launched. I can't believe this is real, everybody. So you have to be 48 inches and you have to be less than 79, so you can't be too tall. And it says level 5 aggressive. Oh my Lanta, I just want to showcase this, for some people. It says only 30 minutes. Okay, let's go. What is it here? What the heck? Let's see how long this line is. It says 30 minutes. I feel like I believe it. I don't think it's too bad. Not too bad.
Still with us. Carefully make your way to a wicked quantum goddess. This ancient relic is said to be the way to Montezooma's treasures. Further instructions await you there.
Wow, we got some storytelling going on. Okay. I like that we got this shade. It is so hot today. We got another window here. Tight fit.
I was in here for a long time. Oh wait, I guess he got stuck in there.
That's funny. So Hector just got off the ride. What'd you think?
It feels as fast as it looks.
Okay.
Because it looks very fast. And I haven't been on this ride in 10 years, I want to say, or so. The ride, honestly, it feels fast. It's very good. The only thing that I was telling Mondo is that
what is the cons?
There's
aspect?
restraints right here. Like you sit down.
They're called comfort collars.
Yeah,
no comfort.
Exactly, no comfort at all. It reminds me of when you're at the Riddler's Revenge and you get locked in like that.
Yeah.
That kind of situation. So just make sure when you bring the lap bar down, just sit how you want to be seated. Because like I just moved a little bit and I was all like, you know, it just like locks. It's like a seatbelt that locks.
You were too locked in.
Yeah, but I was locked in. The ride's amazing. It feels fast. It's badass. The effects, the sounds, everything's cool.
What does he say now that you've been on the ride? Or you still don't even...
I don't even know. I was just too locked in on the ride. You know, the smoke goes up and then you just go through. This ride is a ride to do at nighttime though.
Yeah,
like
I know.
With the lights, because it has strobe lights and the smoke.
I'm gonna stay here because I want to see the night thing.
Yeah.
Because it's different. It's different.
Definitely
All right.
different. No,
Yeah.
but I'll give it like a 4 out of 5.
4 or 5. That's good.
It's really good. It's a really good ride. But you know, Fast and the Furious is a longer ride and it has other stuff.
Oh, we can't compare
but,
that.
I'm just saying,
2026 technology.
Those are 2 coasters.
This is like 40-year-old ride right here. Even though it's
this is
new.
Ride. This is new
I
ride.
know,
New tech.
It's like old new
It
tech.
feels fast. It feels comfortable. It's not janky.
But
at
you
all.
liked it.
I liked it.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So I just sat in. This is very accommodating. The seatbelts, I don't know. I'm not feeling the discomfort.
I'm stuck.
But you said you got locked in.
I'm like I can't sit straight. This isn't trying to sit straight. You gotta be careful when you sit down. Like
Maybe.
you gotta
Here we go.
Okay.
Wow! That was awesome! Damn! Yeah! We just got off Montezooma. This is the exit. I just want to let people know what the exit looks like. That was freaking cool. So now that you did it a second time, is there like a strategy? Because you were saying about the restraints and whatever.
Yeah, just sit how you would want to sit normally, and then bring back the thing as you're sitting down, because the belts are like kind of tight.
Yeah.
Like right now, it's kind of like this, like slouching.
So you're kind of be a little taller.
Yeah, and then I
sit down tall.
Yeah, sit down tall. That's
okay.
That's the only the only thing I could say.
Yeah. Just got off Montezooma, and let me tell you, pure joy en este corazón. That was awesome. Obviously, it's an old ride that's returning here in 2026, but to me, it felt new. It's just, I don't know, that launch is gnarly. I don't know what other better word to describe that. It was just but when you hit that front loop and, oh my God, or that first loop, all like the heights that you get in this ride, that was just so much fun. One thing too, I want to just kind of put out there, to me it was really smooth. Very, very smooth. I don't know what it was, maybe just how loud it is. I thought it was gonna be like a rough ride, but it was smooth. Absolute fire. And the first thought I had when I got off the ride was like, I gotta get on again. And that line don't look that bad, so we're gonna get on again. All right, since the line looks like another 20-30 minutes, we're gonna get on again. Let's go.
Legit. That was legit. I like that.
All right, tall guy. What'd you think? What'd you think?
Finally back. Felt like it was never gone, you know. Classic launch, classic loop. It's fierce. It's a fierce ride.
For me, it has intensity to it.
Yeah, it does.
It really does.
I'm not a fan of the restraints.
Yeah.
Not a fan of the
The
restraints.
comfort shoulders are rough, dude.
You're never leaving the seat. You don't fly off your seat.
You're locked in.
You're locked in.
Someone called it stapled in.
Yeah, it's quick, it's fast, it's nice. I'm glad Knott has it back though.
Yeah.
I'm glad. It's cool.
So I wasn't too sure if Crafty's Kitchen is open or whatever. I was like, let me wait. I'll get a meal plan at Panda. But there is people just kind of hovering outside, so maybe it does soft open. I don't know. But this is my championship meal right here. Some Panda. Got some grains, chow mein, teriyaki chicken. Now that I've been on Montezooma two times, let me tell you, it is a wonderful ride. A lot of fun. That launch is just insane. Extremely intense, extremely intense. The restraint, the comfort collars, I still had no issue. Tall guy, Andrew, he did have issues. He said it just kind of staples them to the seat and doesn't really make the ride that fun to ride when you're just like, you can't even move. But for me, being a bigger person with bigger shoulders, I was just totally fine. I was saying, I think it's a skinny people problem because Hector, he had that same kind of issue too, where he's being essentially stapled into the ride when it takes off. For me, Montezooma is just a blast. I still don't really understand what the spiel is at the very beginning. It's just so muffled and blurred, but it's just, and then you just take off. That's really what it felt like. I don't know, I got to slow-mo and really listen to what he's saying, but having Montezooma back is just spectacular. The ride seat, very comfortable to sit it, put it down, and the restraint didn't hurt my stomach or thighs or nothing. Very, very comforting ride. As a bigger person, extremely accommodating. I feel like I had room to give, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, bigger people wise, I don't think you're gonna have an issue getting on this ride. So good luck. May the force be with you with all the bigger people. But this is a ride to do. I hope you guys get to enjoy Montezooma at some point soon. But I feel like now that the whole world's gonna know, that's gonna be a very long line, very long line. The walls have finally come down over here at Crafty's Kitchen, chicken and fries. So cool. What I'm being told is that it's a team member preview, so not open to the public. So Crafty's Kitchen, sadly, only worker preview. I'm not sure if it'll eventually soft open at some point in time today, but I can't be here too long. One thing I do want to say, shout out to our Knott's Adventure. She was able to get some photos, I think it's from KTLA and Orange County Register, of the menu. So, we can at least have an idea of prices. And we got some pictures actually of the food itself. And these are obviously like media photos, so everything looks all perfect. But in all reality, this looks amazing. I was told, I think it's gonna open with not having meal plan. And I think the plan is to eventually at some point in time have it be on the meal plan. But can't wait to try some of this chicken and fries and maybe one of those desserts that they have. It looks good. It looks good. And I think they're gonna have pies. So, man, I want some boysenberry pie right now. My annual pass to Knott's Berry Farm gives me 4 front of the lines. I usually just wait out here because if I don't use them, I always gift them to somebody, and it says Ghost Rider 60 minutes right now. So I always gift it to people here at Ghost Rider. This is usually the worst line in the park. Gifting those front of the lines to people, It's like one of my favorite things to do at Knott's. Just, you know, saving somebody 60 minutes on Ghost Rider. What an awesome gift. Montezooma, absolute fire. I can't wait to come back, do it again. I hope I get to do it at night so I can see all the projection or whatever the hell happens when that Montezooma audio happens. But man, that ride was a lot of fun, and I highly recommend you make your way out here and get on that Montezooma. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button. I'm gonna stand right here till you hit it. I'm gonna stand right here. Thank you. Thank you for hitting the like button. All right, everybody, we are firing it down, firing it down. The Kelly Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.